30 years ago. You know what I said? Don't talk to my father. Tell my father that. To my father. Both mother. Being married, being in a relationship for 6 years, that is your problem. Unless differences of home. To you as a woman, he said, being your utilities, your deposits, when
This is our wonderful Comcast television service. We're trying to watch Judge Judy on a local station, okay? And this is what we get all the time now. And of course, there's never a problem with Comcast when we call. Comcast claims they don't. This doesn't happen to them. This only happens to DirecTV. Bunch of baloney.
For half. Thanks. The balance $7,000 and you can get $6,000 for it. You're going to $500. Do you understand? No. You get $2,000 to negotiate. Both have money, but it's whole fraction has. And
wonderful viewing, isn't it?
He is in
the reason I'm recording is so I can send it to prove it to what kind of crap service they have at Comcast.
He was paying for half of everything and going down there. He lied. He lied.
And later today.
They think they're adorable. I don't know why they think they're adorable.
Oh, it's going to start working now that the commercial comes on. Watch.
The Yankees take on Blue.
Ooh, even the commercial. That's unusual.
Tuesday at 7, only on my TV. All new. This
is a dangerous situation. You've got to do more.
I feel like a failure enough without being criticized.
I don't think anything I'm going to use
my
Ooh, I'm sure the advertisers are going to really love it when they see they're not even getting their full money out of their advertising dollars. Look at that. This is fantastic.
Parfait with indulgent slices of chocolate and raspberry yogurt.
Oh, I love it.
Get rid of the
And this is what we spend a little.
Yeah, this is what we spend. Yeah, spend over $150 a month for this crap. I'm gonna change it to a higher channel just to see.
The Sportage for $209. At Amway, positivity starts on our.
What we learn is applied almost instantly.
The classes are very small, so all collaborate.
Yep, there we go again.
And I feel like I've helped others learn a lot. There's a great social networking that goes on within the classroom, virtually.
Alright, that's enough. I'm going to end this video and I'm going to post it on YouTube and then also send it to Comcast and see what their explanation is. It's ridiculous.
Judge Judy. Deborah Best and Richard Gadrum owes for moving expenses. So, how?